Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new candidates from PeopleForce to Google Sheets. This is necessary to automatically transfer new candidates from PeopleForce to other systems. For example, in Google Sheets you can create new rows and easily work with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, PeopleForce. Now, select an action. In this case, I want to get new candidates. At this stage, you need to connect your PeopleForce account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your PeopleForce personal account. Then go to Settings. Now go to the API keys section. Click Generate. Specify a name for the new key. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the PeopleForce system, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see data for one of your candidates. If there is no data at this stage, try following the steps described earlier. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. At this point, setting up the PeopleForce data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Choose the system, Google Sheets. Next, you need to select an action, Add Row. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the login and password of your Google account. Be sure to check all the boxes. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select the file and sheet to which new rows will be added for each new candidate from PeopleForce. Now, you see Google Sheets columns. You can assign variables from PeopleForce to these columns. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Google Sheets as new rows for each new candidate from PeopleForce. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets. After successful submission, go to Google Sheets and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of Google Sheets as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.